I want to take a second here to point out some pine sap. And for those of you into bushcrafting with some of the natural supplies around, you might expect you have to go out into the wilderness for that. But if you take a look around your neighborhood, and I'm a backyard bushcrafter, yeah, I get out into the country and on the campsites, and that is my happy spot. But I can still fart around and train, practice, and learn all kinds of stuff right here in the city. So one of the things you want to look for, you could go out and harvest pine sap, which you can use for a lot of different things. Maybe I'll make some videos on what I'm doing with that. But tons of people talking about, things you can make like pine gum, glue, waterproofing. I love this for glue, to be honest, and the waterproofing. I haven't tried the gum side of that. I think I've seen Lonnie on Far North Bushcraft talk about that. But other bushcrafters out there talking about uses of pine sap. But I can remember my grandmother actually did some interesting things. I'll take a look at some birch too, but kind of mix this with sawdust. And wow, when that hardened, that was wicked strong. So one way I saw her fix up a wooden piece of furniture at the cottage was sticking the wood together and then kind of fusing it with this pine sap. And you could see here, you got a little bit here, but each time if you came by, you could scrape more off. I've actually scraped this one a bit already. And this limb was cut at least a year ago. So I'm still able to come back, harvest more of that out as this leaks out, and do whatever I want with this. I have to collect this in a can until I have enough. So I'm looking around my neighborhood, and I got all these people that'll stare at me as the cars drive by at rush hour, and what is that crazy nut doing? And I'm sitting here with a tin can scraping up some of this stuff. So you can bushcraft anywhere, folks. Get out and do it.